The sonsofton presale is an early token sale for the cryptocurrency Suns, which is connected to the Sons of Ton, Telegram-based tap-to-earn game. Built on Ton, according to their project's website. Participants can buy tokens before public trading begins. Key details. Presale token price: 1 cent per Suns token. Blockchain TON, the open network. Total supply: 10 billion Suns tokens. The project describes itself as a Telegram platform ranking game with over 1.5 million users. How the presale works: connect a supported crypto wallet. Choose a payment method such as supported Ton or stablecoin options. Buy the desired amount of Suns tokens. Tokens are generally claimable or distributed after the presale period, according to the project's terms.